If you're watching this video, you're probably really passionate about climate change just like I am. And this is why I made this video, to give you 7 things that you can start today to help combat climate change. Let's jump straight in. So this is a really simple one. We all know that transportation does not help with climate change because of the fumes. So instead of driving to work, walk, cycle, or take the bus. Try and do this more often than you can, and it will go such a long way to helping with climate change. This will really help with your own greenhouse emissions. Flying is one of the fastest growing sources of greenhouse emissions. So if you can, take the train instead. Now this is all very well if you're planning on going abroad. You know, it's a lot harder to take the train, but you still can. You can take the train around Europe, and actually train journeys around Europe are incredible. There are some amazing journeys that you can go on, so I highly recommend looking that up. I'll link some websites in the description down below where you can look at journeys and holidays on the train going around Europe. Some beautiful sites such as Switzerland and Norway. Absolutely incredible. You could also just stay at home in your home country. In England, we've got some amazing beaches and places to go. So why not have a holiday just at home? Eat a more plant-based diet. I am pretty much vegan. I'm like a part-time vegan. I'm also vegetarian. But if you haven't already, you could start eating less and less meat, and this will really help with the overall greenhouse emissions coming from all of those meat industries. It reduces emissions from transportation as well as deforestation and methane gases from cows. Now this is a really good one. Check labels on your food to find out where it has come from. Has it been flown in to the UK or wherever you live? Or is it produced locally? I popped to my local shop the other day. I live in a little village, and we've got allotments just down the road, local people living in the village growing their own produce. It's beautiful. But our local village shop has tomatoes from Mexico or somewhere, so they've been flown in thousands of miles, which is absolutely ridiculous when we've got local people growing beautiful produce. So check your labels and try to use local produce as much as you can. There are many more things that can be recycled other than the usual cardboard, the plastics that can be recycled, tin cans, etc. There's so much more than that. But a really big one is reduce the amount of things that you buy, such as plastic bags. You can reuse plastic bags. We do that all the time. We never have to buy a plastic bag again, you know? It's small things like that that have a massive impact. Now, if you can improve your insulation for your house, and you could even install some solar panels on the roof for green energy. What could be better? This is something that we're looking into and we would love to do someday. Use charity shops. I popped into a local charity shop recently. They had some amazing stuff, clothes, all kinds of things. And actually charity shops are way better than they used to be. You can get pretty much brand new clothes from a charity shop for way less than you would pay in a shop. And this means things aren't being produced in factories all over the world as much. If everyone started buying stuff from a charity shop, right? So much less would be produced, so the emissions from those factories would be so much less. This also reduces landfill, which is another massive problem. Encourage children to do the recycling with you. This sets them up to understand about recycling. It's a brilliant thing to do with your kids. And here's another bonus one. Try and switch off your electricity and your lights, switches all over your house. This not only helps you with your electricity bill, it stops the production of energy and so the emissions that are produced from those factories. Thank you so much. Please subscribe down below if you want more videos like this. I hope it helped you out, gave you some ideas. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.